How's it going? In today's video, I will be making some studio portraits using Playground AI. For those of you who don't know, this is what a studio portrait looks like. If you already know your way around these settings, you can skip to this timestamp. For those of you that are new, stay here and I'll show you how. First, log into Playground AI using your Gmail account. Once you've logged in, click this Create button. When you get here, look to your right and start setting up your desired image size. We are going for 512 by 768. Set your prompt guidance to 10 and set your quality and details to 50. Make sure you got your seed set to random. Now select whichever you want on the advanced options. But for now, we are going with Euler Ancestral. Set the number of images to 4. The more you set, the better. It gives you more options. At the bottom here, set your session to private. Not activating this option immediately makes all of your generated images set to public. Once you've set these parameters, look over to your left of the screen and we can start setting what's going to be on the images. For filter, we are going with Instaport as it creates the best portraits in my opinion. For prompts and negative prompts, meaning remove from image, I have some already set and ready to paste. So if you want those and want to use them, as I am using them right now, these prompts will be in the description box down below. Once everything is set, hit generate or Ctrl+Enter. Depending on the size, sometimes the images takes time to appear. Once you've created your first set of images, hover over to the images and from there, you can simply download it, upscale it to 4 times, or create some variations of one of the images. If you are interested on how to do an in-paint, I have another video for you that you can check out right up here. So from here on out, I will be doing a lot of changes in the prompt and start experimenting to create various types of studio portraits. So you don't have to stick with the current prompts and filters that I have set. I encourage you to keep changing filters, prompts, and image sizes so that you get to see what works and what doesn't. Constantly changing these parameters gives you more understanding of what each filter, setting, and sampler does to your images. For example, I will keep the same prompts, but I will switch filters from Instaport to Dark Comic. Dark Comic is one of the latest addition to the collection of filters by Playground AI. So once we set it at Dark Comic, hit generate and wait for the results. As you can see, we've just made a black and white portrait that can actually pass as a realistic portrait for any social media platform of your choosing. Now let's change filters and prompts while keeping the same subject at portraits. I will put a strong man lifting heavy weights, followed by a few instructions and what I want to see on the images. I will then change the filter to Mixpunk whether the new filters stay added along with the Dark Comic and hit generate. As you can see, it is not the best results, but the AI has a general idea of what I wanted to have based on the parameters that I've set. So if you're new to this kind of AI generated art thing, make sure that you experiment all of the parameters, all of the image sizes, and all of the filters and prompts. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video, leave a comment if you have some questions, hit like if you like it, hit dislike if you don't, and I will see you on the next video.